Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Payton and I'm doing a slime prank on my dad. The most epic slime prank. And I'm gonna turn the whole hot tub into slime. My dad is a prank master. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's go.
Payton, did I just hear you correctly? Did you say you were gonna prank Dad?
No.
Oh, I heard you, Payton. You said you were gonna turn the hot tub to slime.
Maybe. Why? Are you gonna tell on me?
Not if you let me help.
Yeah!
Let's do this thing. Let's call the boys.
Yeah.
Ashton, Paxton, come on. It's important.
What is it?
Oh, hey Ashton, I've got the epic, most, Payton's idea ever. Okay, you guys ready?
What are we doing?
For the news, we're gonna prank Dad.
Why are we gonna prank Dad?
Be-
Because Dad is the prank master.
yeah,
Where is Dad?
he pranks all of us. He's
asleep in the hot tub.
yeah, we're gonna turn the hot tub to slime.
What? But are we gonna get in like super big trouble?
Well, I don't think so because he always pranks us. It's like, just think about it as we're just getting him back, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, he did give me a toothpaste Oreo. Oh, hey guys.
Yeah.
And he's so gonna wrap my toilet.
Really? Ew.
And remember when he put a pile of plushies over me when I was sleeping and I woke up and I was like, oh, it's still nighttime?
Oh,
It's
yeah.
so dark. Yeah, you woke up at like 3 in the afternoon.
Yeah, you slept in so long. Okay, so how are we gonna turn the hot tub to slime anyways, Payton?
Oh, follow me.
Okay, she's got a plan, let's go.
I don't know about this, guys. We might get in super big trouble. What is it? I ordered this just for this moment.
Oh, I've seen that stuff.
I've heard
Yeah.
about this stuff.
So-
Slime bath.
Yeah, you just put it in the water and then it turns to slime. You just gotta stir it.
You
and-
only use
That's a
one
ton.
pack. You only use one pack. We
Yeah.
have like a million.
That's a
There's
ton.
so many.
You could probably turn a whole pool into slime with that.
Oh,
what
it's
will it
so
do to a
heavy.
hot
There's
tub?
so many in here.
Okay,
I got it.
come over here. Bring it to the kitchen.
Come
I
on.
got an idea.
Go.
Guys, come over here. Oh, we've got this huge bucket thing. How about we open all these packs and put it in there? Oh, let's do it, guys.
Guys, come check out this giant box. There's so many in it. And Peyton Paxton already took a lot out. And it's like, there's hundreds in here. And we have to fill you gotta put all of these in this bucket. So see you guys in a sec.
Wait, guys. If we have all this slime, maybe we could walk on the hot tub of so much slime. That would be cool. Okay, let's see what happens. Let's do it.
Guys, it smells so good.
Oh, really? Oh, it's like cotton candy.
Oh, it smells so good. See you guys in a sec.
Hey guys, we're not even close to done yet, and look how much there is. Oh. Guys, on the directions it says it takes about 10 minutes for it to set in and turn into slime, so we better not wake up Dad during that time. And
What are we gonna use to stir it?
honestly, good idea. I don't know.
Wait, I've got an idea.
Okay.
Follow me. Come on. What's up? This is gonna be so good.
Okay guys, so I've got this bucket and some ice, and this is gonna be the finishing move. I'm gonna test it, so I'm gonna pour this cold slime on his head to wake him up. Okay, so we gotta get some water in this thing. There we go. Okay, dump the ice in there. Oh. How many packs should I use? Probably 2 packs would be good. Oh, thanks, Ash. So I'm gonna use these. You have a scissors pick? Okay. Ooh. Whoa! Guys, it just turned green. What do you got this? It turned green. Oh, this is gonna work so good.
And you've only put in one pack.
Yeah, and I've got another pack. Okay, let's see if it's working. Whoa, I'm spilling. Oh, it's working, guys. Okay, let's stir it to make
It's
the whole thing like
transforming
that.
into slime.
Oh, did you see that? It's so slimy.
Right. Hey, Paxton, get me one more pack. This is gonna be hilarious. Yeah, this pack's just for fun to make it even more slimy. Yeah, maybe we can even walk on it. Oh. I wonder what it's gonna feel like when it lands on his face. It's building up. Is he asleep? Oh,
Guys, this thing is full.
it's gonna be like the
Okay, good thing we've only got a few more of these. I don't know if we could handle more.
we've got 5 more. This could literally fill an entire pool, and we're just putting it in a hot tub. It's gonna be crazy. What do you guys think? Do you think my dad is gonna think it will be funny, or is he gonna be mad?
Well, I kind of hope it's a little bit of both, because it's a prank, you know? Okay.
Yeah. Paxton, hold back.
Whoa!
Watch out.
Oh, this is heavy. Whoa, this is like 40 pounds. Okay.
You mean like 5 pounds? My hands are freezing.
Guys, we just dumped 1,000 bags of slime in the hot tub, so I think we should finish it off. Ashton, what do you say? How about we finish it off before Dad wakes up, because we haven't been the quietest, okay?
Yeah, because the ground has been so slippery.
Yeah. Are you ready to finish it off? Let's do it.
Wait, guys, this will be an amazing thumbnail.
Yeah. Guys, go over there and get a good shot.
guys doing?
We pranked you and turned your hot tub to slime.
We turned your hot tub into slime!
Are you kidding me? Turn the whole hot tub into slime? You guys are
That's
filming
right.
this?
That's payback.
For all the things you've done to us.
Oh, don't turn on the jets.
Whose idea was this?
Payton's.
You guys look like you're proud of yourself. Do you guys know how much trouble you're in?
Well, but it was just payback for what you've done to us.
Like that
earlier.
This
Oreo
was-
toothpaste. The toothpaste Oreo.
This was whose idea?
Payton's.
Payton? Hand me that water, Payton.
Okay.
Let me get this slime out of my hair. Payback, girl! Yeah! That's how it's done! Here, Ashton, give me some more water. So I can give me some more water.
So slippery.
Josh, look at this!
Oh, what are you doing? Who else was in on this?
Everybody!
If you guys were in on this, you gotta get in on this.
Oh,
Yes!
Oh!
that hurt. Ow,
Hey, Jackson, if you were part of this, you gotta get in on this.
No
Oh.
one has to. No, don't grab me. Don't grab me.
Come on in, Pax.
Look at this Josh. Look at it.
I cannot believe you guys did this.
This is so awesome.
Hey,
It's so good.
This was supposed to be a prank on Dad, but I think he pranked us all.
this, I guess I can't be too mad at you guys. This is one of the best pranks I've ever seen. Hey! And my very first slime hot tub.
Yeah.
All right, hey, guys. Whose channel is this video going on?
It's mine.
It's going on Payton's channel. All right, all you guys out there watching this video on Payton's channel, if Payton doesn't get, you know, I gotta say, you sit down, boy. Better not, or you're next. So, this was kind of a funny prank, I got to admit. It's my first time being in a slime hot tub, kind of awesome, but you're still in trouble because I don't know if I'm gonna be, how we're gonna clean this up. I don't know what's going on. So here's the deal. Unless Payton gets 100,000 likes on this video, I'm canceling her channel.
What?
Guys, you gotta
Guys, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more awesome videos, then please don't want to keep my YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up.
Come on, guys.
You gotta like. We need this channel.
All right, well, it's up to you guys, I guess. So anyway, I'm getting out of the slime bath and I'm gonna go get cleaned up. So, you guys gonna clean this up before you come in?
How do you do that?
Ladies first. Everyone get out. It was your idea.
Okay.
Thanks for watching my channel. Go check out the $10,000 slime haunter challenge on Ash's channel.
Thanks for being awesome. Bye.
Thanks so much. Oh, God.